Ants. We got ants.
Mm-hmm. Thank goodness not in our underpants.
Mm-hmm. We got these little teeny tiny
black ants.
Little tiny. They're like tiny black ants. We found trails of them coming in, so we're gonna have to take care of that. We got them inside the trailer, and we got to keep them from coming inside the trailer. So first we got to deal with the ones inside the trailer. So we got some bait traps. Terro, they're
multi-service liquid ant baits.
Yeah, so it's like little liquid stuff, like I guess. And you tear this off, and there's like liquid inside, and I guess they carry that off to their colonies.
We had some that came in through the pantry, so we taped some there. We found some by the bathroom, so we put them there.
Got one down there, and we put one right there, so just out of the way. So we hope that'll take care of that problem. I'm gonna go outside though now, and I got some spray. Ortho Home Defense spray supposedly will take care of the problem. You like spray. You only got to do it like once every 3 or 4 months. So you spray anything that contacts the ground.
They've only been a small amount. It's not been like a gargantuan amount. So we want to stop it before it becomes too crazy and too disgusting.
I'm actually surprised it hasn't happened before now.
We've been lucky.
I mean, we're just now having this problem. So, but we've been here at this one spot for almost 3 weeks now. And so they eventually came in. So we'll take care of it. I heard good things about this Ortho Home Defense. And so you're just going to spray everything. So where the steps contact the ground, where the tires. And now I don't want to spray my tires and wheels. So I'm going to spray like around the leaf springs and everything. Because, if they get on the tire, who cares, right? You just want to make it so that they can't get from that point into the RV. So I'll spray the leaf spring contact points just so there's just nowhere that they can cross over without touching that stuff. So I think I got, let's see, we got 6 jacks that I'll spray. We got the steps, and then of course our lines. We'll just spray this down real quick, and hopefully that'll take care of our bug intrusion problem. Of course, can't forget every little thing. So even this Starlink cable here, just get a little quick spray. So of course you got the sewer hose here. So, you don't want to spray the whole hose. There's no point in that. So I'm just going to spray right around here. And then of course here, I'm just going to go ahead and spray this dog bone area because we always use this dog bone. So just give that a quick spray. I guess right here, because anywhere where it's going to touch the trailer. And we got this jack pad here. Just give that a quick spray. And just because we got the bike lock here, spray that. And that should be everything. There should be no other points of contact for the ants or any other bug to get up into the RV. So that should do it. All right, so I mean this Ortho Home Defense, we'll give it a try. I've heard good things about it. The bottle says up to 12-month protection. I'll probably apply this every maybe 3 or 4 months, or if we start seeing any more creatures coming in, then I'll reapply at that point. But we'll give it a try and see what happens.